chickie looks delishy. Boys, dinner's ready.
Hey, Dad says dinner's ready, butt plug. Get me an orange soda.
Stop calling me butt plug!
Then stop being a butt plug, butt plug.
Boys, stop saying butt plug.
Come here, you butt plug.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Smell my hand! Smell my hand, butt plug.
What a bunch of
here.
butt plugs.
Thanksgiving. A time for Americans to gather with family, give thanks, and stuff their faces. Thanksgiving started in 1621 when the Pilgrims threw a feast to thank the Native Americans for teaching them how to survive in the harsh new world. The settlers continued to show their gratitude in many ways, such as teaching the natives the European concept of land ownership, sharing new and exotic beverages with them, and introducing them to diseases for which they had no immunities. Every year, we honor the Native Americans who enabled us to not only survive in the New World, but to get to the point where we don't have to do anything at all.
Hey, what's that crazy bird, JC?
It's a turkey.
A turkey?
Hey, what happened? You can't make fish out of bread no more?
Of course he can make fish out of bread, you knucklehead. He's Jesus.
Yeah, it's for something I call Thanksgiving. It won't catch on for a while.
So let me get this straight. We give thanks by eating a turkey?
Well, there's more to it, but...
Just turkey?
Yeah, we need more, because I got a lot to be thankful for.
Okay, let there be gravy.
Oh, and a side dish, for thankfulness' sake.
Let there be corn.
And biscuits.
Cranberry sauce.
Green bean casserole.
Ooh, pumpkin pie.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Steady your hand, James. Does the Bible not teach us that gluttony is a sin?
Yeah.
I guess I can let this one slide.
All right.
Hey, pass the gravy, you knucklehead.
Oh, give me some of that. Come on.
Pass that cranberry sauce. I'm hungry over here.
What's up there, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. Just wanted to say I went out, took a quick flight. I was getting my flight parameters adjusted for how I like to fly, tilt, roll factor, all that fun stuff. And so I took a quick flight. I still need to make some adjustments. Flying it with a touchscreen is not wonderful, let's say. I can't wait till my fly pad comes in, but it's definitely controllable. So, and you can fly in FPV. There's just a bit of lag, so you want to kind of take it slow if you're going to be doing FPV unless you're really high in the air. Because it runs about 15 frames per second. I just wanted to say how you guys remove your footage. This has an 8 GB internal storage, good for 4 long flights or probably around 7 to 8 short flights before you have to empty the SD card slot. But all you do is plug it into the back here. Plug it into your computer and turn on your unit, and then it'll pop up saying that it's got a storage, and then you just remove the video you want to your desktop. And in my case, I stick in my micro SD card right in my little card slot tray, transfer it over, and then put it in my cell phone for editing. So pretty easy. I did take a flight today. It's very gloomy outside. It's been raining all morning, so I doubt the camera got anything wonderful. It's going to look probably quite dark and hazy, but it is what it is, man. 'Tis what it is. So that's how you transfer from Bebop to PC. Very simple. So, alright guys, I'm going to wake up and then probably take a shower, have some coffee, and start getting ready for work because I work today. But I did want to say happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and I'm going to roll this crummy flight footage I took, so enjoy my Thanksgiving crappy flight. Have fun with your families, eat lots of turkey, and be merry, baby. I'll see you guys later. Tidoo.
They want to hear the Thanksgiving song. All right. This is a Thanksgiving song. I hope you enjoy it. Love to eat turkey. Love to eat turkey. I love you. Love to eat turkey, 'cause it's good. Love to eat turkey like a good boy should, 'cause it's turkey to eat. So good. That clapping's messing my head up, man. I appreciate it. But I was trying to think of the next line. I'm like, all I hear is clapping. Here we go. Thanks anyways. Turkey for me, turkey for you. Let's eat the turkey in my big brown shoe. Love to eat the turkey at the table. I once saw a movie with Betty Grable. Eat that turkey all night long. 50 million Elvis fans can't be wrong. Turkey lurkey do and turkey lurkey dap. I eat that turkey, then I take a nap. Thanksgiving is a special night. Jimmy Walker used to say dynamite. That's right. Turkey with gravy and cranberry. Can't believe the Mets traded Darryl Strawberry. Turkey for you and turkey for me. Can't believe Tyson gave that girl BD. White meat, dark meat, you just can't lose. I fell off my moped and I got a bruise. Turkey in the oven and the buns in the toaster. I'll never take down my Cheryl Teagues poster. Wrap the turkey up in aluminum foil. My brother likes to masturbate with baby oil. Turkey and sweet potato pie. Sammy Davis Jr. only had one eye. Oh, turkey for the girls and turkey for the boys. My favorite kind of pants are corduroys. Gobble, gobble, goo, and gobble, gobble, giggle. I wish turkey only cost a nickel. Oh, I love turkey on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Oh, thank you.